Assalomu alaykum. Present continuous zamoni. Present continuous I am doing. Demak, bu hozirgi davomiy zamon. Study this example situation. Anna is in her car. She is on her way to work. She is driving to work. This means bu now degan ekan. She is driving now. U hozir haydab ketib borayotir. At the time of speaking. Demak, so'zlovchi so'zlab turgan payti, ya'ni hozirki bo'lib turgan jarayon hisoblanadi. This is a present continuous tense. Bu present hozirgi continuous davomiy tense zamon. Demak, I to be'larni ishlatilishi. Demak, I ga am, he she it ga is, we they you ga are ishlatiladi ekan. Present continuous zamonida demak fe'lga ing qo'shiladi ekan. Demak, ega, to be, fe'l va ing. Bu present continuous zamon. We use a present continuous when we talk about something which is happening at the time of speaking. Misollar. Please don't make so much noisy. I'm studying. Demak, shovqin qilmang, men dars qilyapman. Bu yerda men dars qilyapman, I'm studying, bu present continuous zamonda berilganini ko'rib turibmiz. Ega, to be, fe'l va ing. Where is Margaret? She is having a bath. Margaret qayerda? U dush qabul qilyapti. Let's go out now. It isn't raining anymore. Tashqariga chiqamiz. Demak, hozir yomg'ir yog'may turganini aytib turibdi. At a party. Hello, Anna. Are you enjoying the party? Demak, kechada bo'layotgan vaziyat. Hello, Anna. Are you enjoying the party? Demak, senga parti yoqyaptimi deb tarjima etsak bo'ladi. Demak, biza bu A qismida gaplashayotgan vaqtda sodir bo'layotgan ish harakatlarni gaplashdik. Endi B qismi. We also use the present continuous when we talk about something which is happening around the time of speaking. Around the time of speaking. But not necessary exactly at the time of speaking. Study this example situation. Demak, bu A qismida biza gaplashayotgan ayni vaqtda sodir bo'lgan ish harakatlarni tushungan bo'lsak, keyingi bu qismimizda B qismida shu gaplashayotgan vaqt atrofida bo'lib turgan ish harakatlarni ko'rib chiqamiz. Demak, Tom and Anna are talking and drinking in a cafe. Demak, Tom bilan Anna kafeda so'zlashib va kofe ichib o'tiribdilar. Tom says, Tom aytib turibdi, I'm reading an interesting book at the moment. Men hozir qiziqarli kitob o'qib turibman. Lekin bular kafeda so'zlashib o'tiribdi. Hozirgi vaqtda kitob o'qib turgani yo'q. Demak, umumiy hozirgi kunlarda o'qib turgan qiziqarli kitobini aytib berib turibdi. I will lend it to you when I have finished it. Demak, qachonki taom etsa, kitobni o'qishni taom etsa, unga berib turishini aytib turibdi. Tom is not reading the book at the time of speaking. Demak, Tom hozir so'zlashib turgan vaqtda kitob o'qib turgani yo'q. Umumiy ma'noda aytib turibdi. He means that he has begun the book. Demak, kitob o'qishni boshlagan qachondir and has not finished it yet. Hozir hali kitob o'qishni tugatgani yo'q. He is in the middle of the reading it. U hozir shu middle of the reading. Shu kitobni o'qib turibdi, ya'ni o'rtasida. Here are some more examples. Bu yerda boshqa bir examplelar. Silva is learning English at the moment. Demak, Silva Hozir ingliz tilini o'rganib turibdi. Have you heard about Tom? Tom haqida eshitdingmi? He is building his own house. U uyini qurib turibdi. But perhaps Silva and Tom are not doing these things exactly at the time of speaking. Demak, bu Silva ham ingliz tilini o'rganib turibdi. Hozir o'rganib turgani yo'q, lekin umumiy ingliz tilini o'rganib turibdi. 1 oy davomida, 1 yil davomida. Tom ham hozir qurib turgani yo'q. O'zi umuman uy qurishni boshlagan yoki qurib turibdi. Lekin hozir ayni paytda bo'lib turgani yo'q. Bu around time of speaking. Atrofында bo'lib turibdi shu so'zlashib turgan vaqtda. We often use the present continuous when we talk about period around the present. For example, today, this season. Demak, biza A qismida aytdik. So'zlashayotgan vaqtda sodir bo'lgan ish harakatlar. B qismida aytdik. Demak, shu gaplashayotgan vaqt oralig'ida bo'lib turgan ish harakatlar. Demak, biza C qismida boshlangan lekin tugallanmagan ish harakatlarini ko'rib chiqamiz. You are working hard today. Sen bugun katta ishlading. Yes, I have a lot to do. Ha, ko'p. Tom is not playing football this season. Bu faslda Tom futbol o'ynab turgani yo'q. He wants to concentrate on his study. Demak, u ko'proq o'qishini e'tibor qaratishni xohlaydi. Demak, C qismida boshlangan lekin tugallanmagan. You are working hard today. Sen bugun katta ishlab tursan. Demak, bugungi kun hali tugagani yo'q. Bu shu faslda o'ynamin, futbol o'ynamin turganini bildirib turibdi Tom, lekin bu fasl hali tugagani yo'q. U o'qishini e'tibor qaratib turibdi. Demak, bular ham present continuousda ishlatiladi. Demak, D qismina keladigan bo'lsak, bu ham davom etib turgan, lekin o'zgarayotgan ish harakatlarini biz ishlatib bilamiz ekan. We use the present continuous when we talk about the changing situation. Misol, the population of the world is rising very fast. Demak, dunyo aholisi tezda o'sib boryapti. Is your English getting better? Seni ingliz tiling yaxshilanyaptimi? Demak, bu o'zgarayotgan holatlar uchun ishlatiladi. Bu present continuous zamoni edi.